There we go. Look at that. Good morning, people. What's going on? Welcome back to the YouTube video, everyone. Back to another London stream. What's Goldie been up to today? Not too much. Let me just grab my water. 2 seconds, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. I'll be 2 seconds. 2 seconds. All right. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Happy Tuesday. Let's get the Zoom guys in here. Let me get these Zoom guys in. All right, everyone's joining. All right, good morning, Zoom guys. Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Let me just have a quick look at the news yesterday. Gold had a beautiful, very, very nice push up yesterday. Very, very nice push up. Jolt's job openings today. London pre-market sell-off happening every day. Yeah, pretty much did every single day last week, I think, to be honest. Yeah, almost every day last week it did. We had a very, very nice close yesterday on gold. A very nice close. We got Jolt's job openings today. PMI tomorrow. Unemployment claims and NFP on Friday. NFP on Friday. Let's get rid of these alerts. We'll just let everyone wait a couple more minutes, let everyone join in, and then we'll get started here on Goldie. Bitcoin hit 70,000 again. For anyone who took the Bitcoin buys, well done. Very simple. Oil pushing lower as well. Look at that, big push on oil. Big push on oil. Nasdaq kind of faked out this support. Gold creating a lot of liquidity back up at this level again. Very, very strong level. Very strong level. I think we're going to see tapped again. All right, more Zoom guys joining. Good morning, Alan. But less precise signal. Yeah, see you later. Good morning, Ross. What's going on, man? A bit of a range day on Asia today, which is nice to see. Didn't take any Asia trades, didn't even look at the charts, to be honest. But Asia ranging could be good for London. Could be very good for London. I'll clean up some of these levels. We got some potential retracement levels on gold to come back down into here before seeing these overall longs. I'm going to get this hourly close in 3 minutes as well. So let's just see here. go. I've done that before, Ross. Right, Aaron, hey Jane, what's going on? Welcome back. Let me just see, actually, before we jump into gold, let me just see how silver closed yesterday. Big support. Consider that a liquidity grab on the 30. Which one? 30's not really grabbed anything for me. Yeah, what's up, man? What's going on? You mean this one? No, I don't think this is a liquidity grab personally. I think it'll come down and fill this in. Because you look at gold on the hourly, you have a lot of equal lows down here. That's the reason I didn't take these buys. You never re-grab these lows. You know, the hourly's never just going to reject and push up. You're always going to re-grab the lows. So it's possible that gold can come back down to here and come back down to this major support today, which is what we'll be overall looking at. Time is it? Cool. I think everyone's here.
Recording in progress.
We'll start breaking it down for the day. So let's go on the daily here on gold. Let's have a look, because yesterday closed with a very, very nice daily close. You massively grabbed all of these lows. Remember, you'd never actually closed below that support. You never closed below that support. You had a rejection here. You grabbed the lows on Friday. Yesterday came down, grabbed them weak lows. Again, never closed below that daily support and had a very, very nice push high here on gold. So with the fact that we're trading back above this daily resistance, I'm looking for today to flip bullish on gold and continue pushing up into this area that we were looking at from last week. I'm very keen on gold to see gold come back up into these areas, which is what I was looking at on Friday last week, but we never got it. But now we've closed back bullish on the daily. Yeah, I think gold's going to continue pushing higher today. If we are going to continue pushing higher, where could we tap into first? Wait, let me just go back. Let me put my levels to where they were. Cool, here. So if we could push higher today on gold, you know, there's the possibility you have big news later on. You have a lot of news this week. So there is the possibility that we could continue pushing back down to these areas before seeing them longs up, which would be very, very nice. You know, you kind of got that big massive level down here. Kind of broke above it yesterday, retested it and pushed higher. Amazing buys yesterday. We spoke about that in our New York market call. So if you can come back down, grab some of these lows here, be a lovely place to start looking for longs. A very, very nice place to start looking for longs. Asia kind of hasn't really done anything. But just clean this up for a second. You never closed back above this resistance, no longs, just in this kind of overall little range of here to here. It's currently what we're stuck in for now, which it's not a bad range. It's a 50-ish tick range, which is actually pretty nice. But if we can close above here, yeah, then longs would be much nicer. Would be very, very nice. Kind of did just grab previous 30 highs there, rejected. Aaron, why feature firm monthly fee, not one-time fee? No idea. I didn't create it. I have absolutely no idea. It still works out way cheaper, but no idea. You grabbing previous hour lows here. You know, interesting thing about gold here, 4 hour. You have 1, 2, 3, and currently 4 equal highs as well. You got four hourly equal highs here on gold. That, you know, if you were going to see a big push down on gold, you would expect you're going to at least come and grab them before seeing that push. And I would just love to see this continue pushing higher. If we can break back above some intraday levels, you know, maybe break back above here, I'm going to have longs on gold to continue playing this very, very nice 57, 60-ish tick range, which would be beautiful. You kind of bounced off it to the downside here. You're bouncing off the resistance. So I would like to see a breakout. You can kind of see you do actually have a support here as well. You look left. You look left, there's actually a nice level. You broke above, retested, broke back below, broke above, straight back below, fake out. Huge resistance. Here again, support, broke it above, fake out. So yeah, this range is what you're going to be in for now, which is 24 ticks. I'll wait for a breakout of this and then look for a trade. If we can break out of this range, amazing. Have a look at the 15 here on Goldie. Let me just move this. 15 to just grab previous 15 lows. Look at that. Just wicked out the 15 lows. Now pushing back higher. You got 15 minute resistance right here. You got 15 minute support right there. Look at it. Look at this. Break it below, above, below, above. Retest, below, above, retest. That's a fucking horrible downside range. I'm overall bullish on gold today, so I'm not taking any shorts on gold. Yeah, grab the hourly low. Yeah, good spot, man. Yeah, just wait to have the hourly lows without grabbing any of the hourly highs. In the first kind of 3 minutes there. 5 minute did also just wick out the lows here. Broke below the support, broke straight back above. Grabbed the two equal lows. And now starting to fulfill the highs of this range. If you do break above this level, you're going to have a barrier here that you'd have to be careful of. A pretty solid 5 minute push here. Ooh, look at that big push on Goldie. Look at that. Big volume there. Wow, Are you grabbing 4 hour highs yet? Nah, ages away. 4 hour highs are all the way back up here. Yeah, it's good. It's still quite far away. Daily flipping, yeah, it's daily flipping bullish already. Wow. Yeah, nice. Yeah, good spot. Yeah. Yeah, daily starting to flip bullish. You at least be buying into yesterday's high. 4 hour. Bottom wicking. Maybe you might not come and regrab them lows actually. You might see on the hourly, you know, it looks like a equal lows that you need to grab. But then you look at the 4 hourly. Well, it looks like just like a massive 4 hourly rejection of huge support. So if you start breaking to the upside, just go long. Don't really worry about if you come down here. Worry about that if you break back below a level. Like I always say, cross that bridge when you get to it. Don't worry about what's down here. We'll focusing on what's here for now. Let's see that. Let me see that 5 minute, because 5 minutes just massively broken above this level. The only thing is, if you take longs from here, your stops are going to be relatively large. 13. Yeah, 17 into the highs. What would you be looking at if you were to take the flip of this body? It's a pretty decent bottom wick there on gold. Let's see if we get some sort of rejections. You could take the flip of the body. So when the body goes from being bearish to bullish, if we can flip and drive, you may have some longs. Now you can risk off wherever the low is. You've broken above this little level here. So I mean, if you can respect this, great. If you break back below and fake out, you just continue to range. Let's see. This is a pretty aggressive. You just re-grab the highs. Pretty aggressive, quick back push back down here. I wouldn't take fake out sells either. I'm bullish on gold today. Let's see, is gold going to break back below? You're going to hold this level? It's a pretty strong fake out level, look at that. There's also a major support. And the 15 isn't going to break out just yet. Big strong 15 resistance. And 30 and hourly. So look at that. Massive, massive hourly resistance. 4 hour. Bit of a mess. You do have, so you got so many 4 hour equal highs there. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Now you got 4. 4 hourly of equal highs. You expect gold to have a decent liquidity wick today. Which one's yesterday's high? Is that this one? Yeah, this one. One more minute till this 5's going to close here. Let's see if we're going to flip or not. Not looking like we're going to just yet. This is my downside level to watch, potentially. You know, if we don't grab these highs and we start coming down here, it'd be pretty easy to see news will probably send gold back higher again. Let's see, 8 seconds here. Looks like we're going to close back below. So with the 5 minute closing back below, could this be a 15 minute liquidity grab of all these highs? Just to continue the range. Remember, yeah, that is that big. That's a big 30 level. Strong. I'll take sells if you start flipping bearish. And I could consider sells all the way back down to here. If you can break back below here, sells into there would be pretty nice, but I'll wait for it to actually get back below here. You got 45 into that low and then, you know, 80-ish back down to there, which would be pretty nice. But I won't take sells till you get a 30 closure. Either. Ideally close back below this. If this 30 can flip bearish, you know, it could be a pretty nice drive. We're still only 10 minutes into this hourly. And this hourly just wicked out 2 equal highs here. How do you know where to put your stops? Stops just go above a liquidity high. My stop losses are at between 15 and 20 ticks ish. They just go above a liquidity grab. So if you took these sells down, once you had this big rip, you just risk off that high. You won't need to break that high. Once you understand liquidity, you understand where to put your stop. Like if you take sells here, you don't need to put stops all the way above there. Your stop loss goes above that high. Because if that's a true liquidity grab, you won't need to break it. But if you do break it, you're going to push higher anyway. same as here. If you manage to get the breakout here, once you were grabbing the lows and flipping bullish, well, there's your liquidity grab, so there's your stop loss here. You risk off that low, because if you re-break that low, you're going to come much lower. Oh, are you going to close above the 15 on gold? 15 may actually break out here. It'd be great if it can. 15 closure, bottom wick, and then I'll definitely be keen to take buys. I'd rather trust a 15 closure than a 5. Yo, Mark, what's going on? What is the delta between gold spot and COMEX? No idea. No idea. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait 2 minutes. Wait for this 15 closure. Red news for an 8 minute. Does it affect our gold? Nah. Nah. No, it won't affect gold in the slightest. Only news that gold's going to care about today is Jolt's job openings. That's the only news that's going to move Goldie. I don't really need to look at any of that. Don't care. Ooh, look at this. 5 wick the lows. If it can close back above, this will give that 15 closure. Okay, 15. Ooh, 5 minute has just closed back above there. So that 15 is actually broken out now. Let's see if we get a bottom wick before grabbing highs for some longs. Risk the same in every trade? Yeah, it's about similar. My stops are always between like 15 and 20-ish. So it's typically around the same. Dot wick, regrabbing 15 highs. What a push. What a push. How nice that support was. Yeah, top wick first, yeah. Strong top wick first. How much volume is that? Yeah, 10 ticks, alright. Nothing crazy. What's Tilt saying? 57% people long, 43% short. I don't even know why I look at Tilt, to be honest. I just look out of curiosity. Yeah, it made a lot of sense, man. Yeah. Longs are very nice. Yeah, nice. I like that, man. Because you left kind of left a lot of lows down here. So 5 minutes coming back down here on Goldie after wicking the highs. Yeah, 20. Yeah, we just tap. Yeah, tap into that 2350. Where's my? Why's my level not there? Where's my key levels gone? Huh? Yeah, I know where my level's gone, but yeah, 2350 is right there. 2350. Oh, do I have it? Is it just below my? Oh, it is there. It is there. It's hidden below my other levels, but she's there. Yeah, there she is. Today, any Asia trades? Nah, no Asia trades today, man. Didn't even watch it. Haven't watched Asia today. It's my first time jumping on today. I did the Asia market call, but nah, it just ranged. I didn't even look at it. I mean, he had a nice little push down, but nah, I didn't look. I didn't take it. Do I have a playbook? Nah, I don't know. I have a plan. I don't have a playbook. No. So 5 minute just wick these highs here. Failed to close above anything. Just ranging. The 15 closes doji. What next? No idea. Cross that bridge when you get to it. Just wait for it to break out. Wait for the 30 close. Wait for that 30 close. You're just waiting for a breakout. You're just chilling. It'd be interesting to see if this 30 does actually break above this level or not. I think that would be the main decider. Five minute is very choppy for now. Very choppy. That big push at 7 a.m. London time, so you just kind of just pull them back a little bit. Remember, it's NFP week as well, so I won't be trading Friday. But I'll trade Thursday, but I won't be trading Friday. NFP week. Not only NFP, you got loads of news. Let's say you got Jolt's job openings today. You had PMI yesterday. Any trades there? Hey, Mikey? Nah, nothing yet, man. Just waiting for gold to break out, really. Almost had some longs, but nothing yet. How's he going to get slammed? Yeah, I agree. But I also wouldn't surprise me. I've seen news do this so many times where you can leave a perfect double top. Literally come all the way back down. And then do it. I've honestly seen it so much recently. Literally leaves like the perfect double top right before news comes all the way back down. If you close back below here, you're just gonna go sideways. That's what I'm not looking to get trapped into. News isn't till 3 PM London time again, unfortunately. So I won't be staying up for that. Oh, maybe actually. Maybe. Depends on if you leave these highs, I'll definitely be staying up, bro. Just buy it. Buy it and chill. But yeah, if there's 15 closes back below, you're just gonna range in here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Marcia. Good morning. Come on, Goldie, don't break into this shit range, because I'm not going to be trading it. Not taking anything in this range. Oh, you could and we could easily still come all the way back down to here. Easily. It's a huge level. Gonna be a big left shoulder, head right shoulder. The only way I'll take shorts is if we close back below here, and then you got this downside target as well. Next sim session? I'm not too sure. I'll probably do it maybe next week or something. I got a lot of one-to-ones this week. Maybe I'll do some next week. Yeah, they're good. They're good to do. They're very valuable. Very, very valuable. Looking like we're going to close back into the range here in gold. Look at that. Big liquidity wick there on gold on the 30 minute there. Remember this hourly, you know, opened and pretty much just instantly pushed up with very little bottom wick. So it could easily still come all the way back down here. But this is going to be my hourly no trade range. I can take a single position here. Hey man, hey bro, what's going on? $30 seconds to 30 seconds close on gold. 30 closes just in this range. I mean, you're not going to really do anything until the next 30 close, to be honest. You may have to just wait for that. Whether or not we're stale, we'll see. So 30's ranging. There's no need to drop down any lower than that. Same as the hourly. The best way for us to look for the sells is if we do actually just close below top wick, then you got these lows to come and grab. Then you got all of this area as well. Same to the highs. Close above. Amazing. But I personally don't think that the longs will come until Jolt's job openings. There you go, 30 straight back into the range. 15 tried to give us that breakout. Couldn't close it, couldn't sustain closing above. Broke straight back below, back into the range. Back into the range on Goldie. Yeah, loads, yeah, loads. That's why I think news will probably rip it today. I think I've seen it so often recently. How you leave these perfect highs, and before the news, you literally can come all the way back down, and then boom, gold to the moon. I mean, look at the daily as well. Daily is just ranging as well. But we did the only thing is nice that we did actually grab the lows and close bullish. So you'd if this is the daily range, you'd expect we're going to come back up into here, and potentially back up into there at some point this week. Come and grab them weekly highs as well. Just watch your liquidity video from last year. Don't send to it. Yeah, nice. Yeah, good man. Glad you enjoyed it. That's all we trade really. Just liquidity grabs on gold. We took sells yesterday on stream into these lows, trading into the liquidity. Alright, Zoom guys, I'll update you after. We're going to wait for a 30-minute closure. There's 0 point. I was literally watching this go sideways. Oh, sorry, let me ask you a question first, Ben. Decent top wick. Any reason for no entry on the 15? Nah, I just can't really trust just a 15-minute breakout. You know, 5-minute broke above, broke straight back below, broke above. Instant resistance there. So you kind of got support there, resistance there. So I don't really want to get chopped up in that. If we had re-broke these highs and this had flipped, then amazing you would have had it. But yeah, you got a breakout to then close straight back below and then straight back above and then doji. So yeah, not really worth it. And you're at massive 30 resistance. So to just jump in longs just off a 15 closure isn't really enough. But yeah, you guys on Zoom, I'll update you guys probably on the 30 close. You're not going to get anything in the next 27 minutes, so what's the point in sitting here watching this go sideways? There's absolutely zero. So if we do break out, I'll send you guys a new Zoom link and we'll re-jump back on. But yeah, I'm not going to do anything until this hourly closes, and then we'll have the London Open. But I'll go do something else rather than watching this go sideways the next 27 minutes. So I'll talk to you guys in Discord. If we break out, we'll post in a new link and re-jump back on. I'll talk to you guys soon. See you guys. See you, mate. Alright, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there. Gold is just going sideways. You're not going to get a trade in the next 27 minutes. You're going to have to wait for this hourly closure. And I can't really be asked to sit and watch this go sideways, I'll be honest. It's detrimental to your trading performance to sit here and watch this go sideways. So I'm going to wait for this hourly to close. If it does break out, we'll re-jump back on a new stream as well. I'll restart up a new YouTube live stream. If we just close into the range, I'll probably just wait for closer to the New York session. So subscribe, all that good stuff. And if we do break out, I'll fire up the YouTube live stream again. And I'll see you guys potentially in an hour if we break out. Remember, this is our level. All I want is a breakout of either here or here. We break to the downside, going to have some sells. Break to the upside, we're going to have some longs. But anywhere in this range before Jolt's job openings is just pointless watching it go sideways. So if we break out, remember, we'll jump back on. I'll post up the new link and I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.